Alright, so if there's anyone out there that watches my videos or whatever that doesn't, you know, make thumbnails, or they just kind of don't have a thumbnail, they just kind of have a part of the video or whatever, or just take other pictures or take other YouTubers' thumbnails. I'm not gonna say who, but this is a tip for them to make a thumbnail. So let's say you just want to do this. Save an image, put in the pictures. So pretty much, you can look up Adobe Spark or whatever, but I use this link right here. I go in, it's, okay, it's going to create a project. What I do is, okay, this is what I see on my screen. I go to Facebook posts, I go to this, okay, and hold on, just wait for it to load, and boom, this is what your screen looks like. There's a watermark down here, but you can hit the remove button and then just go to this tab, exit out, and it's gone. Okay? And then now what you want to do is hit the add button, hit photo, and go into pictures, and then see all the pictures I've taken of stuff. I don't know what that's there or why that's there. But here's a picture that we just took. Pin to background, remove freely, you can choose. Let's just do pin to background for the thumbnail. And there's that. And then you can hit the add, you can add in text, any kind of text. You know, we have, this is the one I usually use a lot if you watch my videos. Hold on, let's just put the word view on it, because pretty much is a view, like, you know what I mean, right? We do that, and then you can also add like an icon, you can search anything, and just put an arrow in there. But see, you can do that, you know, whatever you want. So let's say this is what you want to do. Oh, by the way, you can also change the color of your text and stuff. You can resize. That's what I do. Colors, yeah, design. You can do a whole ton of, like, a lot of stuff on this. You know, yeah, look at all the stuff you've got. You've got a lot of things to work with here. You know, we can add a logo, you can add anything. And then we want the download button, JPG, or JPEG, whatever. I don't know how you say it. It should come up down here. Open it up. And then add to, and then I have a thing called thumbnails for posting. You can make your own and call it whatever you want. And then, okay, there's also a resize thing right here for YouTube thumbnail, but if you don't know that that's there, then you can go into your files, pictures, you scroll down to where you find the picture, open with paint, resize, click on pixels, and uncheck the maintain aspect ratio box, change it to 1280 on horizontal, and vertical you want it to be 720. And that's that. And then save. And then after that, you can go in like YouTube Studio or something, and then you click on the upload thumbnail button, find that file, make sure you hover your mouse over it, just hopefully it'll be 1280 by 720. And if it is, click on it, click on the open button, and then you're good to go. So, thanks for watching my tutorial, and good luck.